Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to make text animation in CapCut PC. What you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, how to make text animation in CapCut PC. When you are in CapCut, click the text tab. After that, click the plus icon. Let me delete it, just I make it 2 times. Okay, and then here for the text, just type the text you want. Okay, for example, hello. And here you can just change the font. Okay, for example, this one. And here you can change the font size. After that, click animation. And then be sure in. After that, scroll down and then select bounce left. After that, here you can adjust the duration. Here is half second. But you can increase it to 2 seconds. Yeah, it's done. This is what you need to do if you want to know how to make text animation in CapCut PC. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.